Alrighty, y'all. Today we're going to start the RC track. So I'll show you where it's going to go, how we're going to form it, and let's just see how it turns out. So this is the area that we have to work with. The track's already kind of there from four wheels and side-by-sides, so you can kind of see where it comes down this way, and then it's going to go up. It's going to go up that way, and then around. So it's going to start here, and then work its way around. So it'll almost be a triangle, and there's actually a pretty big jump over here naturally that we'll just keep there, and we'll jump. We'll clean up all this area right here. The driver's podium is going to be up there. Say hi, T. And then we'll try to get rid of some of this old burn pile that's left over from building this. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so we'll get the camera set up and we'll get started. track. Not perfect. Still got to put up the, I guess you could call them guardrails. Looking pretty good. I'm dragging the rake behind me to get rid of my tractor tracks. Got a little mini jump right here. That's kind of hard to see, but it's about a foot jump. The driver's stand will be up there. So here's top view of the track. Not a bad little track. So there you have it, guys. First run of getting this RC track put together. I think we're gonna go ahead and get the cars out and give it a whirl. We'll have to go get some corrugated perforated pipe to finish putting it around the track itself to kind of keep these kids within bounds. If not, it may end up down in the ditch. But other than that, not too bad for a few hours worth of work. More to come. Thanks, guys.